In today's video, I'm going to teach you to set up Barclays mobile banking. We'll walk through the process from download to your first login, keeping it simple and secure. To start, head to your phone's official app store and download the Barclays app. Make sure you choose the genuine app from the official publisher and wait for the download to finish before you open it. A stable internet connection will make this smoother. Open the app and tap register. This is the option for new setups, even if you already bank with Barclays. Next, you'll be asked to create a 5-digit passcode. This is the code you'll use to sign in quickly, so choose something memorable but not obvious. Avoid simple sequences or anything that could be easily guessed. Confirm it to lock it in. You'll now see the terms and conditions. Take a moment to read them so you understand how the app works and how your data is handled, then agree to continue. The app will ask whether you already use mobile banking on another device. If you do, select Yes to help the app recognize your existing setup. If this is your first device, tap No and carry on. Next, choose which card you want to use for verification, such as your debit card. This step confirms your identity with details only you should know. Enter your 16-digit debit card number carefully. Double-check the digits before moving on, since any typo can delay the process. Now input your phone number and confirm it. This should be the number your bank has on file. The app may use it to send security messages to verify it's really you, so keep your phone nearby and follow any on-screen prompts. Once your details are verified, you'll be asked to enter your Barclays PIN. Type it in privately and never share it with anyone. The app will securely check it against your account records. You'll then create a memorable word or phrase for added security. This is used to help confirm you're using the genuine app and to protect you during certain security checks. Pick something unique to you, but avoid personal information others might guess. With that complete, your registration is finished. You can now log in using the 5-digit passcode you created at the start. From the dashboard, you'll be able to view your accounts and manage your banking right from your phone. And that's it. You've successfully set up Barclays mobile banking. Keep your passcode and PIN private, and you're ready to bank confidently wherever you are.